What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang 775, just a my boy in Texas, back with another video. Today I got a review courtesy over the folks at BASN. Okay, BASN, these folks sent me over the Ebon Plus Pro wired genuine Ebony earphones. Okay, these earphones are specifically designed for music lovers. Okay, high definition, noise isolating, not noise cancellation. Okay, noise isolating. It somewhat isolates some of the noise that's out there. Okay, not totally canceling out. You can still hear stuff going on, but it does a nice job on isolating some of that noise. Okay, and pictures will be right here of the unboxing. Now, I did an unboxing a few days ago. As soon as I got it, I unboxed it. I got some pictures, and I have the finished product here. As you can see in the pictures here, it comes with 2 wires. Okay, and as of right now, I'm using the flat cables. The flat cables, not the curly one, not the curly black ones. I'm using the flat cables because they come with the inline mic, and I can use this for not only like if I got this connected to my LG G7, I can take calls and whatnot, so it's very convenient and whatnot. So I'm using the flat cables. I have not actually tried the other cables, okay, because I'm totally satisfied with these flat cables on. But with these, this headset, okay, let's talk about the sound quality. The sound quality is fantastic. Okay, the mids, the highs, they're nice, not too sharp, they're crystal clear. Okay, now the bass. I had a little problem with the bass at first. Okay, let me tell you what happened. All right, I tried them on. I first tested it with the default size earbuds. Okay, when I tested them on the default size earbuds, I noticed that I was lacking some bass or low frequency. Now that's easily explained. I mean, if you don't have a perfect seal in your ear when you stick the earbuds on into your ear, you're gonna lose some sound and some bass. So what I did was I switched out the default earbuds because they send you a pack of 2 extra earbuds along with the default one, so you get 3 total. So I switched to the middle size earbuds, and now they work fine. Okay, they work great. They form a perfect seal in my ear when I stick them in. Okay, they got that perfect seal. The noise is sort of isolated. I can hear my voice, but other sounds coming around, like I got my AC blowing here, I can't hear that. Especially, you're not going to be able to hear most things. Anything close to you, you'll be able to hear. But if you got music going on, okay, you're not going to hear anything else. Like I said, sound quality is fantastic. Now, and when you got that perfect seal, okay, that bass, it's a natural bass, a natural clean bass. It's not like a super deep, hard-hitting bass. It's more of a natural, clean bass that balances well with the mids and highs on this set of earphones. All right, and let me talk about. And I also, not only did I also use this to listen to music, I also use this as a pair of in-ear studio monitors. Okay, you can see right here my neat Bumblebee mic. Okay, my neat Bumblebee mic has a headphone jack right there, so I just plugged it into the headphone jack. All right, and have my output, my audio output through these headphones, and my recording input to this headset, to the mic, and I could hear myself clearly. I use it on Audacity, and I edited this video right here. I'll be editing this video with these in-ear monitors plugged into this neat Bumblebee mic right here. So yeah, it's a fantastic pair of headphones. It does double duty. I mean, doubles as a pair of studio in-ear monitors and doubles as a fantastic set of wired earbuds. Okay, and I want to thank the folks over at BASN, okay, for sending me this Ebon Plus Pro headset to take a look at and review. Okay, if you folks are interested in taking a look at this headset or even purchasing this headset, I'll leave a link down below in the description. And I think the going price right now is $29.99. Now I could be wrong, $29.99 or $39.99. If I get it wrong, the price will be right here. When I do make this video, I don't do regular updates saying the price went up, price went down, whatnot, in the comments down below. But as of right now, this is a fantastic budget set of wired earphones, I should say, because I mean, for this price, 30 bucks, that's nothing. I mean, that's like a trip for two people to go to the movies or something, you know, or taking your family out to go eat, you know, eat a McDonald's or something for one night. I mean, it's totally worth its $30. Okay, I think it is. But yeah, this is Guddang 775, just a mile away in Texas. If you folks likes the video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button. Let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang 775, just a mile away in Texas. Peace out.